What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add Shoppay as a payment method on your Shopify store. So here I've created a dummy store just to show you the way here. And as you can see, this is a perfectly new store that I created on Shopify. If you don't have a store, just simply go and create a Shopify account, enjoy the free trial and create your first store. So now to go to settings here, and then here from the menu go to payments. And the payment methods, of course, vary depending on your country. The one that is available by default is PayPal. However, it needs to be activated just as well as any other element or any other payment method, that you add, or payment gateway that you add. You need to activate it, of course. Now, here, let's add a payment method. And we can search here by method or by provider. So let's try here, Shoppay. Okay, so not by method. Let's try to search by provider. So Shoppay. So here it's not there for me because maybe it's not supported in my country. However, if it's supported in your country, you can simply find it here if you don't find it like in the payments, under the payments settings right here in PayPal. Now, however, you can add other payment methods. And let's here try this menu to choose a provider. Let's search for Shoppay. Okay, it is not found. And that's because maybe it's not available in my country. However, this is the way to add it. This is the place you will go to add a Shoppay payment methods to your Shopify store.